So last December, we made a documentary about electric vehicles, and through the process of making that, I got to drive and spend time with many different electric cars. I'm talking the Tesla Model S, 3X. I even got to drive the Chevy Bolt and the Nissan Leaf. After spending all that time with those electric vehicles, I started to realize how great they are and how bad I want one. So I got one, the Tesla Model 3. Let's talk about that and see what we got behind me. My passion for Teslas began in 2014 when they came out with autopilot. I thought that was so cool that the car could drive itself, and seeing some of the videos was pretty awesome. That's when I first saw the Model S with the automatic door handles. I thought that was so cool and that it could drive itself. That's when I became interested in the Tesla Model S, and I started following everything since then. So what do I have behind me? This is Eva. You guys helped me pick out the name. That was really cool. Our YouTube followers picked out the name for us. You voted for Eva, and that's what we got. I actually really like that name because Eva, like WALL-E, this car is really smooth, the lines, no sharp edges. It's really high tech and fancy, just like Eva from WALL-E. I thought that was awesome. For our color, we got multi-coat red, mainly because it looks really awesome and not a lot of people have it. There's a lot of black and white. I didn't see a lot of red, so I want to stand out from everybody else. Under the hood, we have a dual motor system with the long range battery pack. We get 322 miles of range. This is not the performance, but it pretty much is. We've since upgraded this through a software update to get the enhanced 3.9 second acceleration. So this went from 4.4 to 3.9 seconds with a software update, meaning slap a performance badge on it. This is pretty much a performance Model 3 plus or minus half a second or so. The software update was $2,000 to get half a second acceleration boost, which means my time, half a second of my time is worth $2,000, just so you know.
Electric bus.
Electric bus. Since this is not a performance, but we're making it pretty much a performance, we've done a bunch of upgrades to the exterior. We got the Aero wheels. We did not upgrade to the performance wheels, but I really like the Aero wheels without the caps. I think it looks really awesome. We got a carbon fiber spoiler from RPM Tesla. This is pretty much a clone of Tesla's own performance spoiler. We've got aluminum sport pedals. We've done a chrome delete on the entire car. There's no more silver anywhere. Every single piece of silver and chrome is now blacked out. The badges on the front and back have a carbon fiber sticker on them. We've done a matte black center console wrap, so no more glossy piano black. That has been replaced by matte black. And the last thing I think we've done a lot to this car, is we have done door sill protection. There's just a clear film over the door sill to protect that Model 3 badge. I think that is it. There's only one thing left that we have on the car, and that is the power liftgate. Unfortunately, the Model Y has it and ours doesn't, so we're gonna be adding that pretty soon in the future, so this will have a power liftgate as well. And if you didn't already notice, we did add a performance badge on there because it's pretty much a performance car, plus or minus half a second, but still, people can think it's a performance one. On the inside, we got a black interior. I spent some time with a white interior, and it was okay, but you could see just dirt on the seat and everything. I didn't like the plastic looking white dashboard. I actually like the wood, so we got a black interior. And because this is the dual motor, it has the full premium interior, so it has all heated seats, all power front seats, and it has the premium sound system, which is awesome. It sounds great. And I really do like the speakers on this car. If you're unfamiliar with Teslas, they do a lot of really cool things. This car drives itself. We did not get the full self-driving package, maybe in the future, but this still does everything you expect a smart car like this to do. It can steer and it can accelerate and do everything you want it to. On top of that, it has 1 year with the premium connectivity, which means it connects to Slacker and you can stream your music for free, pretty much, for a year. After that, it's $10 a month, but it's still really cool what you can do with the entertainment system on the car. You got maps, navigation, you have a web browser. Now this car probably is not a surprise to some of you who've been following us for a while. We've had this for about 5 weeks now. We've made a couple of videos on it already. We did get HomeLink installed. That's one thing I forgot to mention. We got HomeLink installed, made a video about that. That was a very scary process taking out the inside of the car, but it works really well. I've had 100% accuracy with not a single issue. We've also made a video about the stopping mode, the hold, one pedal driving. That's amazing. You have to experience that. It's super cool. And then we just made a video the other day about the new software update that allows you to view dash cam inside the car. That's an update I've been waiting for a long time, and we got that on this car as well. This does get software updates pretty regularly. We've had this for again 5 weeks, and I think we've gotten maybe 4 software updates already. So this car is really connected. It has its own AT&T SIM card inside of it, so you can connect this to the internet. That's how it gets all this updates, but you do connect it to Wi-Fi at home, which is pretty cool. But this is a really cool car. $53,000 is a lot, but it is still really awesome. Some of the stuff you can do. Unfortunately, we didn't get the Model Y. I kind of wanted that one, but the wait times weren't really something I wanted to wait for. But I'm really happy with our choice. It's smaller, it's faster, it's got better range, and overall, I'm really loving the car. I think it's super cool, and I can't wait to make more videos about this. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.